Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Remember, guys, that this coming December, Google will start deleting, deactivating accounts that you have not logged into. So all they're asking is that you at least log into the account and log out. Any activity as to just logging in will keep it alive. So this is in actually we talked a lot about it. We talked about it maybe a month and a half ago. Of course, there's the fact that these accounts hold space that, it's free accounts, so they hold space. But it's mostly, Google says it's mostly because they're afraid that all the old accounts that haven't been signed in for 2 years or more, what's going to happen is that they will actually be maybe used by hackers, because these could have old passwords that have been actually scooped up somewhere in a data theft. They say that maybe the same password was used everywhere, and you changed over time in other accounts, but that account that you're not using. So they're mostly scared of accounts being used against them and against people by hackers that will just take control of them for spam and all sorts of other reasons. So all you have to do is just log into your account, and you will immediately have reset the counter, basically. So what Google says is just log into your account from time to time, just to keep it alive. And of course, if it's an account that's been a long time, why not take the time to maybe change the passwords? That could be a good idea, maybe to use two-factor authentication. Maybe that could also be a good idea. So whatever use you have for it, even if you don't use it, but you want at least to keep it alive, just log into it at least once. The other thing that's interesting is that Google did say that if the account is linked to YouTube videos, that account will stay alive. So don't worry about it if that account is actually linked to YouTube videos you posted. And, I think it's a good idea because there's a lot of accounts that are actually inactive now for a long time. And what happens is that they are linked to amazing videos that would definitely be lost. YouTube is now really, a big library of all sorts of cool videos and a lot of really, really nice stuff that you couldn't find anywhere else. And if these are linked to an account that is inactive, it'd be sad to lose the videos. So just log into your account. And once again, if your account is linked to YouTube videos, that one will be kept alive. But maybe it's time also to change the password and make security a little better. Maybe use two-factor authentication. So don't forget to log into your account if you don't want to lose it, because starting December, any accounts that haven't been logged in for more than 2 years are going to be removed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.